Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for engineering students. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. First we have from Hitachi. Hitachi is looking for associate software engineer. Location will Gurgaon. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to build team structure, also recognize leadership potential. With that, you have to develop enhanced skills, deliver new script with highest possible quality standards. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Have knowledge of advanced JavaScript, HTML, CSS selectors. With that, knowledge of programming language like C, C++, or other scripting language. With that, excellent written and verbal communication. Additionally, creative problem solving skill and analyzing skills. With that, collaborative skill are also mandatory for this role. So this is for fresher. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Harman. Harman is looking for junior associate engineer. Location is Bangalore. Let's move to the here is about the company. You can read this. If you don't know about Harman, Harman is a part of Samsung and everyone knows about Samsung. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You are working with developers to design algorithm and flowchart. With that, you have to produce clean, efficient code. Similarly, you are also handle integration, deploy programs, handling troubleshoot, debug, and many more. Here is it. You can read this. BTech students are welcome to apply for this role. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Millennium. Millennium is looking for network automation engineer. Location is same Bangalore as we discussed last. Harman hiring. Here are the responsibility of the candidate. You are working on data center management, automation of workflow, maintain existing tools. With that, you are also ensuring the highest quality product platform. Additionally, you are also working on APIs, CLIs, packages, CI/CD pipeline, participate in code review, monitoring network, and many more. Here is it. You can read this. You get the link of this page in the description box. Here are the requirements for this role. Have full understanding of software development lifecycle. With that, knowledge of programming language such as Python, Golang, and have some hands-on experience with API development integration. Good to have some experience in CI/CD pipeline, strong knowledge of Linux, and many more. Here is it. You can read this also. So no prior experience required for this role. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. That's it for today's video. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.